All right, heading into our evening, temperatures holding nicely along Interstate 94 and Highway 10 and points south. A lot of upper 60s to near 70 degrees. That's the number we have right now in Gwinner. Grand Forks, a beautiful evening, although breezy, 67 your temperature. We see things drop off significantly, though, along the international border into northwest Minnesota. Right now, Bemidji 65, Wadena 64. And here is a look at the gustiest of the winds where you see the colors. We have gusts close to 30 miles per hour, so those continue. Numerous places in Lakes Country in the Northland, though, seeing gusts over 20 miles per hour. Looking off to the west from our Valley Skycam, we see some clouds out here, but no rain falling from them in our neck of the woods, and actually some breaks in the clouds in the distance. 68 on the thermometer. Our wind from the south is blowing at 13 miles per hour. Radar showing the heaviest concentration of shower activity right here in the northern Red River Valley from Drayton northward towards the Pembina area. Otter Tail County and points south and east of there still enjoying sunshine on this very warm spring-like day. Fargo hitting 70 degrees for the first time since September 22nd. There's your showers. They are basically from Langdon right into the Hallock area, and the dark greens and even the yellow pixels that we see here, some heavier showers. These are wetting the roadways, but not enough rain from these, just a few hundredths at best, that will see any sizable impact to our flooding concerns, which are still there in the Northern Valley. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows this rain continuing to drift off to the east as it makes its way into northwest Minnesota late this evening. We may have an isolated rumble of thunder, and hit-or-miss showers in the south are possible, but I'm not thinking likely, as the south wind will continue to be breezy at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures slowly falling through our 60s into the 50s. Overnight, we'll stay in the 50s in many locations, a few 40s north. The first batch of rain off toward the arrowhead of Minnesota to be followed up by another that will skirt along the international border in the morning. Winds will shift from southerly tomorrow morning and become westerly or maybe even a little northwesterly in our northern counties throughout the afternoon. But the sunshine and the warm weather continues for one more day. Enjoy afternoon temperatures that soar to near 70 south, a lot of 65-degree readings up north. And we'll have that chance of afternoon showers or maybe a rumble of thunder once again near the international border. In Fargo, 52 to start. We finish off nicely at 72 degrees. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow and winds from the west or northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Devil's Lake, 63. Grand Forks, 68 and 66 in Thief River. To the south, 68 in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. Great shot of a spring-like view from Vincent in the Grand Forks area. Remember this, because things are a-changing. As we go into a cooler Thursday, it does look dry. Friday, we stay dry in most areas except the very far west, 61, and the continued cold trend glides right into the weekend, you guys. Saturday, 48, a few flakes up north possible, rain for the rest of us. Then as we head into Sunday, even better chances early next week of some snowflakes mixing in, maybe accumulating in some of our southern counties. Models don't agree exactly, but it is spring in the northern plains.
Yeah, well, we already packed our stuff away. You know, the boots, the coats, we're on strike.
Okay.
Just noted.
I'm still with you, Hutch.
Oh,
yes.
are you? Okay.
Right. Part of